Hey, 6th grade. This is your language lesson for Monday, April the 6th. Lesson 12 is due today on Monday. Lesson 13 is due on Tuesday. Lesson 14, which is your self-check, is due on Wednesday. We will look over that lesson, and while we're doing that, we will be reviewing for the test in this book, which is on Thursday. Language test on Thursday. So thinking ahead a little bit for that. The checklist for the test is on page 49. It wouldn't hurt to be thinking about that a while and checking that out. All right, let's look at lesson 12 a little bit, the lesson that is due for today. Again, if you do not yet have your lesson done, you should not be watching this video. You should wait till you have it finished because we'll go over some of these answers. Look at page 39, lesson 12, page 39. Number 3, put parentheses around the prepositional phrases, underline the subject, and circle the correct verb. So find the prepositional phrases in number 3. What are the prepositional phrases? Of the college student should be in parentheses, and for the holidays should be in parentheses. Now the reason that they get you to check out the prepositional phrases is because you need to remember that the subjects are never in a prepositional phrase, okay? The object of the preposition is never the subject. The object of the preposition might be the same thing as the subject, but you never put that down, you never underline that as a subject. So what is the subject in number 3? You should have underlined most. And you should circle the word have. Most have. Now I'm looking back a little bit. The 5 indefinite pronouns that can be either singular or plural. Some, any, none, all, and most. Yeah, I was thinking most is one of them. So most, how do you decide if most gets a singular verb, has, or a plural verb, have? Sometimes you can have that as singular and sometimes it's plural. And here's another reason why you're looking at the prepositional phrases, and this is the answer to number 7. How can you tell whether to use a singular or plural verb with the indefinite pronouns some, any, none, all, and most, the ones that can be either singular or plural? You look at the object of the preposition, of the college students, and because it's students, because that's plural, then the verb must be plural. Most have. Right? But that's you only do that with these indefinite pronouns, that can be either singular or plural. You don't do that if it's only a singular indefinite pronoun, it always gets a singular verb. If it's a plural indefinite pronoun, it always gets a plural verb. Number 5. Prepositional phrases, among the reeds, inside the castle, and in our aquarium. And some fish actually in this case, fish is the subject. Fish hide among the reeds. Some hide among the reeds. Some fish. Let me look at that quick. I'm sorry. But in this case, lesson 12 of 609. No, some is the subject. Okay, some is the subject, and some hide. Because you're looking at fish hide. Some hide. I'm still debating that one. I'm not sure that I agree with them. Some hide, fish hide. Yeah, that's... Usually it's when it's a prepositional phrase that the indefinite pronoun is the subject. All right, be that as it may. Look at number 11. Many is many used as a pronoun or an adjective in number 11. Many of the children at Vacation Bible School. Many there is a pronoun. Okay, but you have to watch these pronouns then, because in number 12, many Christians, that's saying which Christians, when it has the noun right after it that it's modifying, then the pronoun is in fact an adjective. So in number 12, many would be an adjective. 13, put parentheses around prepositional phrases, label them adjective or adverb phrases. Number 13, of them is an adjective phrase. With me, the of them is modifying one, saying, yeah, which one? Adjective. With me is saying where they stayed, so that's an adverb phrase. And for the doctor is saying why he rode for the doctor, so that's also an adverb phrase. Spelling quickly. Make sure 13 is finished for tomorrow then. Let's just go over the spelling, page 41. For her birthday, Dad took Mom to her favorite Italian restaurant. 23. Mrs. Anderson crochets unusual doilies. 24. I can't decide between an omelet or waffles. 25. If we set up the croquet game now, we can play after supper. 26. I am too much of a coward to try whitewater rafting. 27. Ted cajoled his brothers. 28. Most airplanes have a letter and a number on the fuselage. 29. Last fall, Mother saved some apple cider to make vinegar. 30. Near the mine's entrance stood a long deserted shanty. A shanty tends to be less fancy than a chalet, if you need a difference there. Many in the community helped to clean up the debris from the tornado. That's number 31. 32, we grabbed breakfast at a cafe. 33, the team huddled with the coach to plan the strategy. 34, yachts are equipped with many luxuries. 35, many animals can camouflage themselves. 36, Dad made sure that Don had brought flashlight, extra battery, spade, hatchet, and matches. Sounds like they're going camping or something. 37, I will have a fish fillet sandwich. One of Ellie's favorite things from McDonald's. 38, Mrs. Jennings told the class, if you treat everyone as you want to be treated, then there shouldn't be any cliques. 39, toward evening, the young boy led his herd of goats down the mountainside toward his family's chalet. Tends to be it's actually comes from Europe. You talk about the chalets in Europe. 40, this jelly was made. 41, Jacques said, I bid you adieu. And now I will bid you adieu again.